Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing something a little bit different. I went with my mom to Zara home to buy a few things for the house and I decided to do a video on it and show you guys what I bought. So let's just say hello to everyone. This is Chloe. You met her before in my previous video. So let's put her down, and the other one, the husky chief, is sleeping. So let's show you. This is my goodie bag from Zara home. So nice box here, and let's dig in. Oh, I love Zara. They have such stunning stuff. So firstly, I got a pillow here. It is 45 by 45 centimeters. I got this for my couch and it was $19.99 and I got it for $9.99. Bargain there. And the second one, so I can have a set. I will take a photo of what it looks like on my couch so you guys can see. And then I got a blue bath mat for my guest bathroom, which I am doing a blue and white theme. And of course everything must be blue. Anything blue is good. So this was $12.99 and I got it $9.99. Another $9.99. Okay, and we have a little strainer here. I just thought this was too cute, and the color matches my top again. So this was not on sale and also $9.99. Getting all the $9.99s. And then lastly, I got this ceramic bowl, and it has a lip here, so it's perfect for mixing stuff up and just pouring it out, and it's a perfect size actually. If you don't want to mix something in a big bowl, it's a very nice size. And this was $19.99 and I got it for $12.99. So there you have it. A few things, but still something. And I'll take photos of what my couch looks like with the pillows and what my bathroom looks like. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you enjoy watching these types of videos with hauls and that, I will do more videos on them. My next videos will probably be on vegan meals because now is the Greek Easter and we fast. Whereas they fast meat, they fast dairy products, we fast pretty much eggs, milk, butter, cheese, everything like that, and all the meats. So I will be doing vegan meals, prepared meals, and putting them in the freezer. And whenever my husband wants, he can just take out his one, bake it in the oven, and done. So please don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell for future videos. Hope you guys have an awesome day or an awesome evening and be kind to one another. Thank you for watching. Bye!